Hey guys, and welcome to Daily Commitment, where we do just a little bit of exercise, but we exercise every day, and if you do that, it works. We're here, we're pull-ups. I want to see if I can get 5 today. So let's go. Thank you to Bookie Cuss. Anybody who comments is part of the Let's Go crew. Let's do this, guys. I think we can get 5. Last time we got 4, it kind of slowed down at the end because I did the first 2 with no kick, so they were harder, right? So the first one we're going to see if we can get with no kick. We might pull up our legs a little bit, but we should be able to get it with no kick. At least we were last time. So let's see if we can do that again. Let's do it, guys. Here we go. 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 No kick. No kick. It was weird. As I was pulling up, I could feel myself getting closer and closer. And that last little bit, I just kind of pull my leg up and it squeezes everything together and is able to get it. All right, we'll figure out that leg thing eventually. But right now, I'm glad with no kick, I was able to get it up there. Maybe it changes the angle a little bit when you pull your legs up. I don't know. Anyway, I want to do another one. But I want to show you guys also how long I'm waiting in between sets. These are basically sets when I'm doing single pull-ups. It's making it easier. I followed, I think it was Daniel Garcia mentioned. No, he was talking about the push-ups, I think. Anyway, one of my fans was saying, hey, try it, do 2 in a row. You know, you can do 2 in a row, and I did. But gosh, it made the other ones a lot harder, and I really want to get my form down. I'm still trying not to get that kick in there, so I like separating and make sure I got one complete pull-up. So anyway, we've had a little bit of rest. Hopefully that's long enough. I don't know if it was a minute or half a minute or it was 90 seconds, but at least somewhere around a minute there we took for that. Let's do this. Let's get ourselves number 2. Let's see if we can do no kick. No kick again here. All right, we can't reach it. That's not the right step. All right. Here we go, guys. Here we go. 1. Oh. I did it again, no kick. It was weird. I like pulled, and then that little bit of leg and got it. So we got it, man. We definitely got it. These are full pull-ups. Last time, number 3 is the one I could not get with no kick. I ended up kicking a little bit. So that's why I'm taking a little extra long for the rest here. I think I'm going to blabber for a second. Still using this as rest. I want to talk about the push-ups from yesterday especially. We did the push-ups, and we didn't get as many as we thought. I think it was Daniel Garcia who said, you know, try it without the weight vest. And honestly, guys, I thought I was going to get a new max, and I didn't. I didn't even hit my old max. I stopped at 11 or instead of 13 on the first set. It was interesting because both sets I started out really strong and it felt good, and then I just really couldn't keep it going. So that's interesting, but I'm going to try not to do push-ups as any of my auxiliary exercises. So I'm going to get 2 full days of rest, and we're going to come back. We're going to hit those push-ups again. I don't know if I'm going to do weighted or unweighted, but I guarantee you I'm going to do more than 11 and 9 or 11 and 8 or whatever I did last time. I guess I don't guarantee it. You got to listen to your body and all that. In my mind, my energy is going that direction, so more likely chance it's going to happen. Anyway, guys, let's do it. I think we got another pull-up in us with no kick. That will be 3 no kick, which will be better than last time. Like I said, I did start burning out earlier. It always feels good to increase, and that gets your spirit up for your next daily commitment. But some days you're not going to increase, guys, and that's why you want to make the 70% your baseline. Sometimes shoot up to try some maxes, but doing under that amount to avoid hurting yourself most of the time. All right, let's do this, guys. Here we go. I did not kick. I did not kick. I lifted my legs more than all the other ones. I started curling up like a little centipede or something. And I stretched my neck out really far, normally farther than I normally do. Normally I don't stretch out that far, but I really stretched and I got it right over that edge. So we did it. 3 full ones, no kick. I don't think number 4 is going to be a no kick. So what I'm going to do this time for number 4, because I'm not going to wait that long between sets. So it's definitely going to burn out on me as I come to the right about here is when it starts being like you better fucking curl up a little bit or kick or something. I'm going to try to do really straight legs, and then I'm going to hit that pause point, and this time I am going to give a little kick, I think, rather than pulling and pulling and pulling and then curling myself and then not making it. No, you know, fuck it. No, I changed my mind. I totally changed my mind. I'm going to do it the other way. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to make this one. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to allow myself to curl but not to kick, and I'm just going to burn out. I'm going to burn out trying to reach my neck over that bar. I'm going to burn out trying to reach that neck over the bar. Or maybe I'll make it. Maybe I'll make it. Let's think positive. Here we go, guys. So third step. Not exactly a full kick. I allowed myself to curl up. I was really close. And then I just kind of went, oop, let go of that curl. And that gives you, when you push the curl out, that it is a kick. And, oop, and I got over there. So 3 no kick, 1 with a kick. But right at the very end, and after I pulled as far as I could, and you know, so I'm going to do 5. I'm going to push 5 because that was a success, right? And I didn't fail. So I got my chin over the bar. So without a ton of rest, I'm going to go and put 5 here. That'll be our first day of 5. First day of 5 right here. I think I did 5 on this one day where it wasn't quite as clean, but the 5 all the way over the chin, no, this is a record. All right, here we go. There we go. It took 2 or was that 3 kicks to get over the bar. I pulled up, still wasn't there. I went, ugh, didn't do it. Again, I got it. That's 5 good ones. And definitely there, 2 kicks. Took me 2 kicks to go over that one. I think we're okay with doing those. We're done with those. What we're going to do now is we're going to do those letdowns. The letdowns are really harder than the pull-ups. The letdowns are kind of how we got here. The letdowns did a lot of the work. That and the horizontal pull-ups, which you can check out some of my earlier videos for that. Anyway, so here we go. I'm going to jump up this time. It's going to be like this. My chin is going to be locked on that branch. I'm going to slowly let go and get my muscles even more tired out. I'm going to do at least 4 of these, maybe 5. Let's see. Here we go. Number 1. These we don't have to wait as long in between because we're just trying to tire ourselves out. So we're going to go jump. That was an awesome letdown. With that jump, I was like an inch over the bar. I was like this with my neck like up here. I wasn't even leaning my chin on the bar. Slowly came down, let my chin lean for a second. Then slowly went past that. Slowly. Dude, that was awesome. This time I'm going to focus on my legs a little bit when I do it. Try to see what I'm doing with that. Since I don't need to kick or curl up to get a little bit higher, I'm going lower. Let me see if I can keep in a nice neutral position here. Oh yeah. Yes, feet, very good position there. And again, it's okay to wear out, so we're just going to jump right back up. I'll let you move my head around. You'll see me move my head around different positions, looking around. It's kind of fun. I think one more, and we're going to call it quits. This time I think I'm going to move my head around less and think about my feet more, but I like to play with different things. Maybe just hung there a second to really feel good. I jumped up, you get way past on the jump, started coming down, then I kicked and I got myself over again. Practicing that little end bit is really good. Anyway guys, that was a huge success. Not gonna do a cardio today, just like I didn't last time on the push-up day. I did cardio on some of those other days. Really want to take it easy on my knees and stuff. I don't know if you watched the squat video 2 days ago. Definitely still making good progress on the squats. It's not like the push-ups where I'm going a lot of ups and downs and hitting a lot of plateaus. With the squats, I've been steadily improving. It's just you got to mix those rest days in there. And so that's what we're doing. Anyway guys, keep it up. A little bit of exercise every day really does add up to a lot. And if you made it this far through this long video, you might as well subscribe. It's fun. There's a magical floating button up here that'll do it for you. If you go down and click all, that'll give you something. And we'll see you guys next time on Daily Commitment. Bye guys.